In the PTE Describe Image task, you'll be presented with an image, graph, chart, map, or diagram. Your task is to describe the key information, trends, comparisons, or significant features depicted in the image within a specific time limit, usually 40 seconds. It's essential to give a structured response, covering the main points, trends, and any notable observations in a clear and concise manner. Practicing the ability to identify and articulate the main features of graphs, charts, and images will help you excel in this task. In the PTE Academic Task Describe Image task, you'll encounter visuals like bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs, maps, tables, diagrams, or flowcharts. You'll have 25 seconds to prepare and 40 seconds to speak about the image. Your objective is to convey the key information, significant trends, comparisons, or any noteworthy aspects depicted in the visual. Focus on describing the main points, changes, highest or lowest values, trends, similarities, and differences if applicable. Structuring your response with an introduction, body, and conclusion within the time limit is crucial for scoring well in this task. Practice in summarizing and expressing key details fluently and accurately within the given time frame to ace this section. Certainly, to excel in the Describe Image task of the PTE Academic test, here are some essential tips. Structural approach. Organize your response logically by following a structured format. Introduce the image. Discuss main trends or features and conclude summarizing the key points. Vocabulary and language. Utilize a range of vocabulary to describe trends, changes, and relationships in the visual. Be clear and precise in your descriptions. Time management. Practice managing time effectively. Spend the initial seconds of the preparation time analyzing the image and planning your response. Use the speaking time efficiently to cover the main points without rushing. Fluency and pronunciation. Speak clearly, maintaining a good pace and natural rhythm. Pronounce words accurately to ensure your response is easily understandable. Practice. Regularly practice describing different types of visuals. Familiarize yourself with various graphs, charts, maps, and diagrams to enhance your ability to interpret and articulate information quickly. Highlight key details. Focus on significant changes, highest or lowest points, comparisons, percentages, or any remarkable observations in the visual representation. Avoid pauses and fillers. Minimize pauses and avoid using fillers like or repetitive phrases. Practice smooth transitions between points. Stay calm and confident. Maintain composure during the task. Confidence in your speech delivery can positively impact your score.